Yep. Whose room?
Mom.
Okay, I'm coming. You have to get off the step first. Get down. Go in and show me.
That could be your room. That could be Jack's room. That room could be your room. This room could be my room.
Let's see your room.
It's around like this.
Yep.
This could be my, in the middle could be my shelf of my clothes.
Uh-huh.
Now, my bed could be right here.
Okay.
And your bed could be right there. And Dad's bed could be over in the other room.
Okay.
Okay.
When are we going to live here?
About 4 days or 2 days.
Okay, can you show us out? Which way do we go to get out?
This way. Let's go in the next one, Mom.